Hi friends, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. Today, we're taking a little trip together on the bus, the train, and the subway.
No ticket? Don't worry. This trip is for learning English.
Haha, the best kind. No traffic, no stress.
Let's start with a story. Yesterday, I was late. The bus was coming and I ran to the stop. I asked the driver, "Hi, does this bus go downtown?" He smiled and said, "Yes, hop on."
Hop on means get on. Friendly English.
I tapped my card, found a seat and said, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" The woman said, "No, go ahead."
Perfect. Polite. Simple. Let's learn some useful words. Bus stop. The place where you wait. Driver. The person who drives the bus. Seat. Where you sit. Fare. The price of the ride.
Listen and repeat. Bus stop.
Driver.
Seat.
Fare. Now, a train story. I was going to visit my cousin. I asked at the ticket counter, "Hi, I'd like a ticket to Central Station." The clerk said, "One way or round trip?"
Round trip means go there and come back.
I said, "Round trip, please." Then, on the train, I asked a passenger, "Excuse me, is this the right train?" They answered, "Yes, you're good."
Friendly people make travel easier. Repeat after us. Ticket counter.
Platform. Right train. Round trip.
Okay, subway time. It was crowded. I heard, "Stand clear of the doors, please."
That means, don't stand near the doors.
I held the handrail and someone said, "Sorry, coming through." I moved a little and said, "No problem."
Simple English. Kind English. Here are some useful everyday expressions. I'm running late. I don't have enough time. Better late than never. It's okay to arrive late. At least you arrived. Hang on. Wait a moment.
Repeat after us. I'm running late.
Better late than never.
Hang on. I'll ask, you answer. Does this bus go downtown?
Great. Try this. Is this seat taken?
Nice. Last one. Is this the right train?
You're doing awesome.
Sometimes I miss my stop. Then I take another little trip.
Haha. Free sightseeing.
Remember, mistakes are normal. Every ride is practice.
And every word you learn makes the world feel smaller.
Friends, you did great today. Bus, train, subway, you can do it.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and be kind to yourself.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and practice in the comments. I took the bus today.
See you next time on Amjee's English World.
Bye.